Oh, okay. This clip is because of Jack's comment about coming to a complete stop at a stop sign, because he claims that he never does it. Well, in this clip, what you're going to see is somebody who has no choice but to come to a complete stop because of the activity. Don't play it yet. Because of the activity of the drivers in front of them. And when they're forced to come to a complete stop, an unusual thing happens. Go ahead and play the clip. Roll the clip. Oh.
Well, that guy's back window's open.
No, it's not. It's shattered. It's shattered.
Oh, it's shattered.
It's shattered, dude. So these two cars are kind of, I don't know if they're goofing around or what, but definitely. So one guy is stopped in the middle of the road in the van, and then the other guy attempts to go around him because he's like, "You can't stop here. This is a freeway we're on." Man, that looks familiar too. That kind of looks like Hong Kong. I don't know if it is or not, but anyway.
And what is that? Just a bunch of
Could
dirt,
be Taiwan or something.
Or?
Yeah, it looks like dirt and gravel and a few stones. And so the guy in the car that tries to pull around, he gets to the far lane. The van finally starts to pick up, but the van also does something weird, which is try to pull into that lane as well. See how weird that was? So the guy's like, okay, I'll go around you, fine. And then the van seems to want to go even earlier. The van's like, I'm going there too.
Oh, yeah.
It's very weird. But either way, this is, I suppose, some sort of, and listen, anything can happen on the roads. There's a bunch of people driving around giant metal objects and having to make decisions. But it's never a good idea, unless you absolutely have to stop in a freeway where cars are traveling that quickly. And this is a very unexpected consequence. But I'm guessing that the individual in the van may never stop on a highway again after this occurrence. I mean, this would be hard to forget, getting plastered like that by the dirt flying out of the other car.
Yeah, that's bad.
People are saying in the comments it's Hong Kong.
Oh, wow. Okay. That was it's a long time ago that I was there, but I guess it was a mixture of the buildings and the...
Yeah, were you on that highway?
Topography in the back there, like the mountain, you kind of recognize it. But yeah, don't stop in the middle of nowhere, ladies and gentlemen.